I'm discussing about the social media optimization. What is the purpose of using for social media optimization? For instant results purpose. Please write down social media optimization purpose of instant results purpose. Instant results. Social media optimization purpose. Instant results purpose. Instant. INSTANT. Instant results purpose. Please write down here. Social media optimization is a way of which traffic on website, videos and articles from social media like Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. For the purpose of to fetch traffic on your website. Please write down. Social media optimization purpose of to fetch more traffic on your website and videos, comma articles. So that option is that please write down. You need perfect way to optimize your website on social media. That is called we're learning for social media optimization. So how many we using for here? Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Last will be there Pinterest. The Pinterest will be called image optimization purpose. So this is a social media optimization, but we using for only for image optimization. If anybody getting leads to our images. So here. These are that Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter and LinkedIn. Anyone, any social media networks, first of all important here your profile. Google Plus profile, Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile. Profile belongs to only for your name and surname, not for the brand name. Please write down. Profile belongs to your only your name or surname, not for the brand name. Why I'm saying that? You people liking for your brand name as a profile name. Don't writing. Flipkart like that. This is your brand page, not for the profile name. Profile name nothing but your name. Profile nothing but your name. Always profile using for the name, not for the brand name. Or the brand name. Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon. These are your brand names, not for your profile name. If you're writing for movie news, this is your brand, not for the profile name. Profile always using your name. Your name, suppose Deepak, Deepak is SEO, Digital Deepak. You can change your name, no issues. But use the perfect name as your profile. Second one is called your brand page. Digital marketing company is my brand. So how many location? My location is common. What is my common keyword? Digital marketing company. Digital marketing services. Web development design company. These are my brand pages. These are my brand pages. Suppose if you take Flipkart, what is my branding? Samsung mobile. Flipkart mobile, sorry. Micromax mobile. So Oppo mobile. What is called? These are one brand of mobile category. What are sub brands? Oppo A7, Oppo F7. These are the sub brands. Main branding promoting for all sub brandings. That is for your Google Plus branding pages. Next will be called every Google Plus branding pages for increased followers purpose we using for Google Plus collection. That is called your sub brandings. Oppo mobile. What is sub branding? Oppo mobile. Oppo F7 mobile. Oppo A7 mobile. That is called version. That is belongs to Google Plus collection. Please write down. Main branding is Oppo. That is called Google Plus brand page. Google Plus brand page. Sub brand or subcategory belongs to Google Plus collection. Google Plus branding is main branding. Google Plus collection is sub branding. So Samsung is a main brand. What is sub brand? Samsung J7, Samsung J3 mobile, Samsung Chota mobile. Lot of versions are there. They're all subcategory. Subcategory nothing but Google Plus collection. Last one. Google Plus groups. based on keyword requirement, based on keyword requirement, we can create our own group. We can create our own group and add existing groups and add existing groups. Same like Facebook. Same like Facebook. This one based on our requirement. This option based on our requirement. Suppose you are promoting for Samsung mobile. So you are promoting Samsung, you can post by Micromax, correct? You only select by the relevant category. That is called Samsung mobile category. Suppose you are promoting for Micromax, posting my Samsung is correct? Is wrong. So relevant groups are important. So how to create a relevant group? How to add the relevant group? We discuss on the Google Plus. Next one, write down Facebook. Facebook profile integration with username 50 characters. With username 50 characters. Syntax facebook.com/username. Facebook.com/username. That is promote your profile name along with your photograph and your posting. Second one is Facebook fan page. Facebook fan page. Promote your brand based on requirement. Write down bracket. Increase likes and brand awareness. Increase likes and brand awareness using Facebook groups. Using Facebook groups. So Facebook we can integrate by your website content, images, videos. You can promote using for Facebook. How to create the live stream. So already recording video is there. How will be showing as a live video. So already one movie is downloaded by your desktop. How to show as a live video. These are the versions we can make using for Facebook Live. How to promote the video. So how many minutes video we can upload by the Facebook channel. What do you mean by image integration? We all discuss about the Facebook market. I have one image is there. How to promote that image on particular location with a particular website URL and brand name using for Facebook. This will be called Twitter. How to create your Twitter profile. How to your topic will go into trending. What do you mean by Twitter followers? How to increase the Twitter followers? What do you mean by list? What do you mean by Twitter activities? How much time will be uploaded by video on the Twitter post? So how many characters supported by the Twitter? We all discuss where? Our Twitter part. Twitter support only for 280 characters. That we discuss about it here. And last one, LinkedIn. What do you mean by profile? Remember your LinkedIn profile same like your resume. You can apply for any job without your resume. You can apply as your LinkedIn profile as your resume. One drawback is that they not display your mobile number. They display your email only. They contact through only for email. How to perfect create your profile we'll discuss by our class. What do you mean by company page? How to promote our website using our company page? How to promote our videos using for our company page? How to increase my Facebook followers to LinkedIn followers? LinkedIn company to Facebook page integration. This is all we can discuss about that using LinkedIn. Last one is called LinkedIn groups. How to promote our brand using with the LinkedIn groups. How to add existing groups. How to create our own group. But how to promote our content using LinkedIn groups. Remember, G plus profile brand communities. Facebook profile fan page groups. Twitter, only for profile or company brand page. Fourth one, LinkedIn, company page, groups. G plus is communities, Facebook is group, LinkedIn is the groups. But we can't create the groups on Twitter. Twitter is called list. Twitter is called list. It's clear? This is for our social media optimization. So we discuss about that. Final thing is content promotion, image marketing, and video marketing. Our existing desktop videos, YouTube videos, Dailymotion, and Vimeo. Content will be article types, website content, and your existing blogger content. That is called your earning will be possible by the social media using LinkedIn and Facebook. It's clear? Traffic generation purpose, Facebook, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. For brand awareness purpose, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. It's clear? These are the promotion ways.